Hi angels, welcome back to my channel. I am msmonieLA. So today I am here in Franklin Canyon Park in Beverly Hills, and right now it is 9 a.m. So wherever parts of the world you're in, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It is a huge car show behind me. I'm just looking around because there's like so many nice cars like passing through, and it's hard to keep my focus on this camera. But like passing through was a BMW, and now it's a Mercedes. And so I'm gonna take a walk and take a look around. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm probably not gonna be doing too much talking on the camera because I'm like gonna be interacting with a lot of people, and it's gonna be like a fun event because I heard somebody famous is gonna be in this canyon. So one thing I want to add while I was driving up here, that there is like amazing view, like even the sky is gorgeous here in Beverly Hills, California, and so much trees and beautiful huge houses. It makes me want to come out here and live here. Hi. Yes, I am. How are you?
I'm good.
Good. What's your name?
Do you have a channel?
Yes.
Oh, who are you? I've never heard of you.
It's ms.monie. You have your phone now?
I don't have a phone in general.
What's your name?
Do I have a name?
Come on, your mom did not give you a name.
Hey mom, what's my name?
Stop.
I'm Andre. I do video, I do cartoons, and that's basically it.
Nice. You look like a cartoon guy. Whoa, 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 whoa. Thank you. Yeah, you can check out my channel. It's ms.monie.
Can you say that again?
ms.monie. So it's Miss Monie.
Oh, Miss Monie. All right.
Yes.
Well,
Hi.
nice to meet you. Thank you.
Nice to meet you. Thank you so much. Yeah, go ahead and check out my channel, and then yeah.
You do vlogging, like?
Yes, vlogging, and I'm on Instagram all over.
Oh, that's cool. I don't do Instagram, but I'll check you out.
Thank you so much, Andre.
All right, thank you.
Love your mask.
Thank you.
Bye. Yeah, so I stopped because he was staring at me for a little bit. So yeah, but yeah, there's a lot of motorcycles going around. And let me show you around, guys. So yes, let's get right to it. Whoa. How are you? I'm very good. How are you? I'm great. I love your makeup.
Thank you.
So on point.
Look at yourself.
Oh my God.
Got more exposed.
Yeah, good luck, guys.
Hello.
Hi there.
Woo! You guys are partying.
Free content.
Here is the guy.
Figaro.
He's an expert.
I'm not an expert, but anyway, so Figaro.
Just say you are.
I
Darn
am.
it.
By the way, they even took time to put the yellow plate on.
This color. Dude, look at this. That is so cute. That's a cute car. He loves cars.
And the Fiat.
Yes. Damn. He's so proud. Wow, I like this one too. What year is this? Oh my gosh. 2 Baby blue? Damn. Hey? Patty. What the heck? So cute, Puggy.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Hi. Enjoying the car. How you doing?
Great.
Good, good. Great. Thank you. Hold! Hold! Guys, this is Jay Leno. This is Jay Leno, guys. Hi, Jay.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Good, you look great.
Thanks.
Yes, I love your car.
Thank you.
Woo! It's amazing. Gorgeous.
Thanks. I think he likes you.
Everybody's dying for a photo with Jay. So cute. Oh. Right? Oh my God.
Hey Jay, the little one wants to sit in the street.
Sure, hop in,
Here,
brother.
come on.
Oh, that's awesome.
Can we get a selfie with you, Jay?
You break it, you buy it.
Don't break it.
I've been waiting for Wednesdays a year. They clean down Main Street, Huntington Beach. He's our hero. He's our hero. He's the nicest guy. I said, I never.
Jay, can I get a picture with
sir.
you in the car? Right here, right here. Hold on. Somebody take a picture of me. Oh, you want to look at that camera? Christina!
Okay,
Thank you.
next.
You're so
Can I get a
awesome.
picture on film?
I am so confused. Oh, dang. And guys, ladies and gentlemen, this is the owner of this vehicle. Hi!
1963 Studebaker Hawk GT.
Wow,
One of
guys.
about 5,000 or 6,000 of them.
Hi. 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 Cuckoo! You scared me.
Okay, I sent to you the new location. The new
Hi,
location
guys.
for the.
They're here, they're there. Toss your hair, toss it and leave your hand down. Oh my God, can I get a photo too? Shoot, I might need to, Tony, Okay guys, so we are off to a next location. We just finished taking a lot of pictures, a lot of videos with a lot of different people, especially, somebody take a picture of me. See? The star, Jay Leno. So everybody is leaving and look at this gorgeous view, guys. So pretty. I hope you're having a blast on this journey already today, and yeah, it is so much fun. It is extremely hot. It is about, what degree is it? 81 degrees outside. My friend's jacket is in my car, and yeah, we're about to go. angels. I'm now in a new location. This is what I'm wearing now. I changed outfits back into a bikini. No, into a bikini, not back into a bikini. I went home and showered and changed. This is what's going on right here. We are in a jacuzzi. Hello there. Gia. Say hi. Hello. ¿Cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás?
Hello. Gia. Oh, hi. So guys, I'm gonna close up. I'm gonna hang out with my friends and chill out a little. And yeah, thank you so much for joining me on my journey on my channel today, guys. And I hope you guys had a lot of fun, just like I did. And yeah, the highlight of the day was Jay Leno. Anyways, thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you on the next time. Bye.